Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Harvard University student portal. For that, first off, we're going to be heading over to Google Chrome or a browser of your choice. You can then type in key.harvard.edu to get your Harvard key. After you've headed over to key.harvard.edu, you can tap on Claim Your Harvard Key, and then you can scroll down and hit Continue. Here you must enter your details. Enter your details along with your Harvard University ID, your last name, and your date of birth, and hit Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to get your Harvard key. After you get your Harvard key, you can head over to. After you've got your Harvard key, you can type in Harvard University student login in the search bar, and then head over to My.Harvard, and then head over to my.harvard.edu. Tap on Student Teaching and Advising Portal, and in the username you're supposed to enter your Harvard ID, and in the part of the username you're supposed to enter your Harvard key. Hit Next, enter your password, and then you'll be logged in to your Harvard University account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.